All right, you guys may have recognized these antennas. These are from the V2 FPV goggles, DJI V2. They work just fine on the thing, and they're flexible enough and small enough. We got 24 volts. Oh, the gyro. Let's go. Huh. So we got angle mode calibrated then. Hold it by the arm and do not arm. Remember to put it back in angle mode, Kyle. How about that? I guess you can rescue in angle mode. That's kind of cool. Angle mode on, throw it. That's fun. Also not fun to lose it. That's flipping angle mode while inverted. So I guess you can save yourself while flying acro and just flip it back into angle mode. That's interesting. Angle mode in, chuck it. That's hilarious.